Okay, if we look on page 670, here's our connection. So we're using the distributive property, and in the previous example, we found that you can break apart a rectangle into smaller rectangles and then add the area of each smaller rectangle to find the total area. All right, so how can you break apart this figure into rectangles? All right, well, one way is going to be using a horizontal line going across, and another way is going to be a vertical line. So if we take a look at this shape right here, all right, we have one side right here that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 across, and we have a side right here that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The problem is we can't multiply 6 times 7 and get 42 because we're missing this piece right here. All right, so we're going to visualize this with two smaller rectangles. All right, and for the first rectangle right here, all right, we can see that 7 across, but then 3. All right, so this is 7 times 3, which will give us 21. Now, if we take just this side, right, so there is 3, and then 3 right here. All right, so let's go ahead and draw in the rectangle. Which happens to also be a square. Right there we get 3 times 3, and that would be 9. Okay, so the 3 that we had right here, all right, this 3 and this 3 is going to give us this 6 right here. All right, but all we've done was just divide it up. So 21 and 9. All right, so adding those up, all right, when we add 21 and 9, we are going to get 30. So the area is 30 square units. Now, what happens when we come back up here and we split it another way? All right. So, if we look at this side right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, 6. Okay, which is the same 6 that was over here. And then right here, that would be 3. So we'll go ahead and get a wrong shape right there. Let's try this one. So right here is one of the shapes. 6 times 3, that would give us 18. All right, so 6 times 3 gives us 18. let's take a look what we got right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which this 3 plus 4, see that's the same as the 7 that we had over here. And then right here is a 3. So multiply 4 times 3, or count up all the unit squares we have in there, and that's going to give us 12. So let's go ahead and get our shape right here. And now we've got 4 times 3, that's 12. Get these added up. So 18 and 12. That would go ahead and give us 30. All right. Now, how can we check your answer? Well, in this right up here, this example would be easy enough because they're already in unit squares. We can just count them all up. All right. Which is a pretty good method to use for 3rd grade.